Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here some questions are written. These questions are from probability chapter of your class 11. Okay. So today we will discuss how you will write the solution of this. Before this video we had discussed many questions, how you will find the probability, how you will tell which events are mutually exclusive, which one is simple and which one is compound, how you will find the probability. Okay. So see here today we will learn with the mutually exclusive we will learn exhaustive also. Okay. So see here one question is saying first question is saying 3 points are told. Okay. Describe first three events which are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Two events which are mutually exclusive and not exhaustive. Three events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. Okay. Okay. So first of all, here we will write the sample space of experiment of tossing 3 points. Okay. So when 3 coins are tossed, then sample space will be what? H H H T T T or H T T T H T or T T H or H T H H H T H or H H T H H T. Okay, see here. You will write this. So see how many are there elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So as you know, to the power 8 will be sorry, to the power 3 will be 8 sample space. So here 8 sample space are there. Now we will write. So first of all, we will learn the as you know the mutually you know that meaning of mutually exclusive. It means if the intersection of two events will be phi or no element will be there, then that event is called as mutually exclusive. Okay. Now here we will learn the meaning of exhaustive. Okay. So exhaustive means if you will take the union of all the events, if sample space are coming, then you will say that all events are mutually exhaustive. Okay, are exhaustive. So see here we will take accordingly that suppose a we have to write three events. So suppose a is there, b is there, c is there. Okay. So how you will write this event c that uh, all how you will write the event that the events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Okay. Suppose here you write suppose this one in which you are getting two tail, exactly two tail. Okay. So suppose you are writing htt phttt. Suppose in this you have written this one. Okay. And suppose in this you have written thh thh hth and hht. Okay. And write here hhh, and in this write this one ttt. Okay. So if you will take the intersection of this one, then no element you will get. If you will take intersection of this one, then no element will you will get in if you will take the event of this one and this one, so no element you will get. It means all are mutually exclusive. Now if you will take the union of all elements, then you will get the sample space. Okay. So see here. So if you will write a intersection b, then what you will get? Pi. If you will take the b intersection c, then pi will again. If you will take the a intersection c, then again pi will be. Okay. Now if you will take A union B union C, so what will come? Sample space will come. Sample space will come. All the elements you will get. Okay. So how you will define this? This event is defined with in every element two tails are there. So this event is event of getting getting exactly two tails. Here you will write exactly two tails. Okay, and here this event is defined as event of getting at least one head. At least one head means if you are means one head should be there. If two is there, no problem. If three is there, no problem. Okay, now see here. Now if you will find the, if you sorry, here one head written, two head you will write. Okay, if you will take write one head, then this will also come. So at least two head. So at least two head in the three head also come. Okay, now if you will take the A union B and C, then all sample spaces you will get. It means these are the events which are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Okay, now we will talk about the second one. This was the first one. Okay, this was the first one. Okay, now second is saying two events which are mutually exclusive. Two events which are mutually exclusive and not exhaustive. Okay, so suppose, so it means it is saying that two events should be there and intersection should be 5. Okay, and not exhaustive also same means sample space not get. What? Sample space not get. Okay, so suppose that if you will take this event as event of getting exactly two tails. Okay, then if you will take A intersection of B, okay, then what you will get 5. And if you will take A union B, then whole sample space you will not get. Tail, 3 tail will be left. Okay, so see here, A can be written as H T T T H T T T H. Okay, and B is T H H H T H, or you can write here, you can write T T T also you can write. Okay, here we have not defined this element. Event of getting three tails. Okay, now see, so we have defined this, already here. So if we will take A intersection B, then 5 you will get. And if you will take A union B, then what will come? STT will come, THT will come, TTH will come, and triple T will come. But the whole sample space not coming. So these events are mutually exclusive and not exhaustive. Okay. Now we will talk about the third one. Third one, you have to tell again three events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. Okay. So suppose if you take A is equal to HTTT, THT and TTH. Okay. And here you suppose B you are taking TTT, and suppose C you are taking triple H. Okay, so if you will take A intersection mutually exclusive means here A intersection B is what? 5, and A intersection B intersection C is 5. Okay, and A intersection C is 5. And if you will take A union B union C is not equal to sample space. See here, in this only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements will come, not whole element will come. So it means these are mutually what? Exclusive and not exhaustive. Okay. So see here. So A we have already defined here. See this one. Okay. And B already defined here. See triple T, event of getting three tails. And here you can write what? Event of getting three heads. Three heads. Okay, three heads you will write. So see here how you will tell that which event will be mutually exclusive and which event will be mutually exhaustive. Okay. Now we will do the second one. Okay, in second one you have to give answer as true or false. Here events are written, two dice of thrown, and you have to tell A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. True, false. You have to give answer. Okay. So let us. I hope you have noted down this one. I am going to erase this one. Okay. Now let us see the second one. Second one is saying two dice are thrown. So you have to write the sample space first. So how you will write 1 1 will be there, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, then 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Now 4 1, 4 2. This is what sample space. 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Then 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Okay, so in this way you will write the sample space. Now let us see the what event is saying. A is saying that getting an even number on first die. On first die, even number should be there. So see here, this line will be, this line will be, and this line will be. So in this what will come 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 7, sorry, then 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 4 comma, then 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Okay, so in this way you will write the sample space for the A event. On the first die, even number should be there. Now, for B you will write getting an odd number on the first die. Getting an odd number on the first die. So on the first die, so this line should be there, this one will, and this one will be. So right here 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Okay, so in this way you will write the sample space for the B event also. Now C event, getting the sum of the numbers on the dice less than or equal to 5. less than or equal to 5. Now see, less than or equal to 5. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4. So up to here you will take. Okay. Now 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Up to here you will take 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Up to here you will 4 comma 1. Here you. After this, all sum you will get the greater than 5. So here write 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma, sorry, 1 comma 6, sorry, 1 comma 5 is not there, less than or equal to you have to take. Then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 will be here. Then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, and last 4 comma 1. After this nothing you will get. Okay. Now we have to give answer in true or false. Okay. So question is saying A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. It means you have to write A intersection phi is given and A union B is equal to sample space is given. Now check. So see, A is what? Getting even number on the first die, and B is what? Getting odd number on the first die. It means both are mutually exclusive. If you will take the intersection of both one, nothing you will get the common element. Okay. Now, and if you will take the A union B, then all sample space you will get. Okay. So it means it is true. See here, it means it is true. Okay. Now second one is saying A complement. Now, so in this way we will do the first one. So first one will be true. Okay. Now we will see the second one. Second one is saying A complement, B complement, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Okay. So first of all we will find here A complement. A complement will be union minus A means sample union is sample space. From this one we will subtract A. So when you will subtract this A from the sample space, you will get B because A union B is sample space. Now if you will calculate B complement, then what will write S minus B. Then if you will do the S minus A, then you will get the A1. This one. Okay. When you will subtract D1 from the S1, you will get A1. So see here. Now here we have to take C also. Now we have to check whether A complement, B complement and C are mutually exclusive or not. So see here, if you will take the intersection of A complement and B complement, so phi you will get, no element will come because this outcome is different and this outcome is different. Okay. Now if you will take the B complement intersection C. So B complement C here in this B complement C here one element is common. Okay. So here you will get what? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, sorry, 1 comma 5 not will be there, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 4 will come. Okay. And after this no element see here 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2 you will get in both here, and 4 comma 1 not there. Okay. And 2 comma 3 not there. So see here you are getting B intersection C. So for mutually exclusive intersection between two events should be phi, but here phi not coming, so this statement become false. This statement become false. Okay. Because this statement is saying they are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Okay. So if you will see that key whether the A complement, B complement and C are exhaustive, so it is A union B is union, sorry, A complement union, B complement union, C will be sample space. It is exhaustive, but here not mutually exclusive. That's why this statement become false. Okay, so see here how you will do the question, how you will tell whether which event is mutually exclusive and which event is mutually exhaustive. Okay, so see here all the things here written. So now if you have like the video, then share and subscribe it, and if you have any query, then comment in my comment box. And if you are facing any problem in any question, so here my WhatsApp number is there. On this number you will send me pic of that question in which you are facing problem. What I will do, I will make video of that question to clear your doubts. So till now wait for the next video. In next video we will discuss some more question related to the probability. Okay, so till now wait for the next video, and till now goodbye, have a nice day.